Elijah, since this lockdown, we have not been to the beach. But today, I have something planned for me and you and me. We're going to do a foam party. Can I tell you? Foam party. And then we're going to try to shoot it out with this water gun. Yes, Elijah, you have one, I have one. But before we do that, let us change. Yes, change into our swimwear. So when it's time to swim with the foam, we just foam with the swim. What do you think of that? Elijah, do you think it's a great idea? It is. We're going to have fun. Yeah. Yes, you're doing push up for it. Now let me bow it. Let's go get dressed. Go get dressed. Go get dressed. Go get dressed. Let's get ready to rumble. Water is ready. Now, our foam. Look at it as it rises. Wow, Eliza was a bit shocked. There was a lot of foam, a lot of water that went on the floor. And I have to be doing so much cleaning up, guys. I'm telling you, don't try this at home. Elijah there getting his jumps on. Myself as well. Jump in the big belly. Jump. Now this is where we make our final experiment. And this one, can I tell you, was the success. Getting all these different colors. So pretty. Look at that blue ball, like Superman fly and then get knocked down. Yeah, I can play football too. Our water is ready. Getting started. Let's see who's going to win. Yellow, pink. You tell me which one is going to win. Wow! And that is it! That is our final product. Thank you guys for watching another video on family, fun, entertainment, education. Next week is going to be a bigger, better video. So ensure you like, share, subscribe. I'm out.